guys, I'm Varshit, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the impossible triangle illusion. Let's start. The things you need are the impossible triangles template. This template's link is in the description. A pair of scissors and a glue stick. The first step is to cut out this template. Now, wherever there is a line, you need to cut it. So there's a full line over here. So you need to cut this part. Then from here to here, and again from here to here, and from here to here. After cutting it, you need to fold all the dotted lines, which are this one, this. You have to fold it like this. Make sure to be precise. If you want, you can take the help of a ruler. In the same way, you need to fold all the lines. After folding all the dotted lines, take the glue and then apply glue wherever glue is written. After that, turn it over like this, and then you need to stick this to this part like this, making it a rectangle. And then you need to apply glue over here. Then you need to stick this part over here like this. Now this also became a rectangle. And now here also you need to apply glue. And then stick this part over here. After that, you need to apply glue over these flaps. This small flap also you need to apply glue. And then stick it. You have to push this thing inside and then stick it. And then do the same thing over here. Apply glue and then stick it over here. Like this. The triangle is now ready. To make it look like the triangle, you need to take it to an angle like this, which makes it look like the impossible triangle. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.